Dumpster rental service in Lakeland, Florida. Dumpster Depot offers the best dumpster rental service in Lakeland, Florida for your residential or commercial cleanup needs. Whether you're undertaking a significant renovation, cleaning your garage, or managing yard waste, we're here to assist you. Our team offers affordable and prompt dumpster rentals to make waste disposal stress-free and straightforward. We offer dumpsters in various sizes, so whether you're tackling a minor home cleanup or a major construction project, we've got the right option for you. Our local expertise means we understand Lakeland's needs, and will help you select the right dumpster to suit your specific project. You won't have to worry about waiting long for a delivery or pickup. Our team works efficiently to meet your deadlines. Whether you need a dumpster for a one-time cleanup or ongoing projects, we're here to ensure you have the right solution. We've built our reputation on providing reliable, hassle-free dumpster rental service in Lakeland, Florida, and we take pride in being the trusted choice for residents. Call us at 863-330-0133 to discuss your project and secure your dumpster. Let us take care of the waste so you can focus on what matters. Dumpster Depot is a place where waste disposal is made easy.